Nigga fell asleep, bro.
Oh God.
Oh
Okay.
God, that is
Damn.
crazy.
That's funny, bro.
Uh-huh.
Kick that nigga out, bro.
Yo,
Step out
that's
bandwidth,
crazy.
bro.
Alright.
Alright, bro.
Um,
All right.
Let's run it.
you guys ready?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Alright, not that. Good luck.
Oh, God. Good luck.
Look.
Hardcore team deathmatch. Eliminate the enemy. Leave none alive.
Why did I crouch?
Taking the lead. Lost the lead.
Shit. Fucking hit markers. Fuck, saw you too. Nice. Nice.
Gee.
GG's.
Mission failed. Return to base.
Yeah. Nice game.
I had to slow it down. I had to slow it down.
GG.
I think it was taking a shower. Yo, Jay, your brother had the saving bounce.
Yeah, he
Okay,
took
okay.
off.
Still here?
For Cash and Logic?
Who?
Is it Cash and Logic?
So who was
I don't know. Reaver,
who was
what's
for sure
next?
going up against?
Yeah, we're gonna have to skip and go straight to Cash Logic. 'Cause I was
Cash
supposed
Logic?
to play for sure next, but we're gonna skip ahead to the next match and go Cash Logic.
Or wouldn't it be Wouldn't it be
You know what? You
the
know what?
Cash
I
and
got an
you?
idea. I got an
Or Cash
idea.
Logic?
Let's throw Magic
It's
Sun
Cash.
against you, Reaver. Let's throw him in there.
Nah, he
He
don't.
has
Nah,
to prove
listen, he
himself.
gotta. He
Nah,
gotta play
bro.
the underboss. Me. He gotta play the underboss. Me. Let Diego
Let my
smoke
little brother play.
Yeah.
I'm just saying because
And then I
Reaver
got-
didn't have an opponent.
Yeah. So I'll take.
We'll
listen,
switch it up.
I gotta handle his light work real quick.
Cash and Logic. Okay.
Like, yo, how you gonna go to the big
Damn, that's
boss
crazy.
first?
Yeah, you gotta
Yeah.
get the underboss. You gotta get ultimate weapon before you get the Sephiroth. You know what I mean?
Oh
Man, like-
shit!
And if you don't know the reference, you're too young, kid.
That's what I'm saying. 97. What's up?
What's
Yo,
going down right now?
Hold
So
on.
Reaver gets a bye to the semifinals.
Why?
All right, gentlemen, you guys ready?
Yep.
All right, run it up. Good luck.
Good luck.
You wanna use SMGs? What do you wanna use?
Was that?
So you wanna use AR or SMG?
I didn't set up that gun. The submachine gun.
So you got the AR, the MCW, right?
Yeah, I got
Wanna
the
use
MCW.
Alright, I'll use him.
Hardcore team deathmatch. The mission is simple. Kill them all. Secure the lead.
Oh, what the fuck? Climbing over shit?
You clambered.
Yeah.
Taking the
Oh
lead.
my god.
Wow.
What's the lead?
I sure fucking lose that one. Miss. In the kitchen, are you fucking making something? Alright.
Nice.
Good shot.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
The enemy holds the lead. Clock ticking. Taking the lead.
Nice. Ooh. Good game.
The mission is complete.
That was
Good
fucking
work.
great.
That's
Wow.
Expect the unexpected, bruh.
That was
Pretty
fucking
much,
close.
pretty much.
Can't
what
get any
everybody
closer
thought.
than that.
Oh, that was fun.
Expect the unexpected.
Jay, what made you jump out the window, bro?
Which one?
I was like, how he did that?
I blacked out.
Damn,
I felt
so it's me
exposed
versus
for you. I
Cash.
was like, ooh.
I fucked up.
So Rebirth plays who now?
No. It's actually Cash versus Hades now.
Cash versus Hades.
Yeah, can I go on a fucking cigarette break? I just went against Cucky and fucking Luke.
Nah, man. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
Nah, he don't get no boss battle, bro.
Nah, he
You
don't
don't
get
get
no
no-
boss
Listen.
battle.
He gonna have to put up some 50s and 60s before he get the boss battle like that.
Listen, I'll go run it. I'll go run them with them on the side channel real quick. This is the main channel. We got.
Yeah,
some shit
if he
going
wanna
on. I'm
play,
at
there
a
you go.
tournament.
Tell him if he wanna play,
he got it.
you
I
come
got
see
him.
Luke.
I got him.
Follow
So-
me.
Okay, let's go. Other lobby. I'll
So
go
it's Cash versus who you said? Hades, right?
Hades.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Emotional damage.
No,
GG's, bro.
fuck spectator. I want podcast a bit.
Damn, I might be the
I'm
obnoxious
gonna
one in
mess
this
up,
bitch, huh?
You're setting it up, Logic?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Alright.
Hold on.
Yo, why you yelling?
That's his normal. You
Yo,
don't know
that's-
that's your pops. Come on,
that's
you
a
know
dad,
how-
bro.
Yeah, you right next to this nigga, bro. Alright.
Nah, hell no, I'm in my room. But
Got this, Hades.
Hold on.
dude, Mike right next to you.
Ooh.
All right.
I'll do it for you, Phoenix. I'll do it for you.
You gotta do this for us.
Alright, I'm gonna move you over, bro.
We're the underdogs.
Yeah,